Stages to make the face glow and shine. Face glow tips. Clean, tone additionally to moisturize day to day. Cleaning the face double each day prevents breakout involving bad spots. Generally, try that you simply stick to the detoxing regimen simply by sculpting. Basil water is an excellent wholesome toner and you'll put it to use along with some organic cotton built from made of wool. At this time, help make a number of red onion juice, Multan mite additionally to sweet. Use this to become a normal moisturizer to create coming back quality additionally to lighten your cope with. Stay well hydrated to get healthy, natural glowing skin. You're confused regarding how to have an instant glow for your face, then stay well hydrated to shine skin. Water and fresh juices are perfect for a healthy body and natural glowing skin. This really is the easiest method to purify impurities that can help to provide glowing skin. Drink a minimum of 7 to 8 portions of water to purge out toxins present within your body. Water keeps you hydrated and removes excess dirt and oil. This will make the skin glow. Employ lime green juice to become a rinse. Fresh lemon juice is among the best ideas to get glowing skin. Blend lime green juice together with nice almond oil additionally to beach sodium. This specific normal wash may remove dead cells from the cope with offering any sparkling light. Lime green peel in the lime also aids in removal scar problems additionally to zit grades by cope with.